Hi guys! Hi guys, so I have a Shein haul. I got my cute Hello Kitty cup with my coffee so we can get this video started. So I already opened the package. Oops. Let me see where I can place these. Okay, so first item that I got is this necklace. This runs really small. I thought it would have been really cute if it were just a little bit bigger. But it's this really cute butterfly pearl necklace. If it was longer, like I said, it would have just been absolutely perfect. Then I have a lingerie item. Okay, so it has the matching thong, the lingerie piece, and then it's just this floral, cute ruffled, cute dress, baby doll style lingerie piece. It's really cute on. Right, so next I have, oops, that was open. I just have this sheer top here. It has some bell sleeves and it ties right there in the front, and it has like a mini collar. Very cute on, very casual. Up I have sheer top as well, more cropped, and it ties in the front. I don't know if you can get the gist of what it would look like on, but here we go. So this is what it basically looks like. Very cute and casual. Next up, I have this tube top that says Hawaii on it, and it's like a terry cloth material and very fun for summer. Okay, next item I purchased, I already purchased before, but I saw it on a flash sale for 80 cents, so I was like, I'm just gonna buy two because what if one gets ruined? Because it's like a special material and you're gonna work out in it, right? But it's this really cute two-piece set with hearts all over it, heart print, and these are the shorts, and this is the top. So I actually got this for 79 cents, and that is a score, and I had to do it. So I'm definitely in love with that. Next item is this. Looks like it's a top. Hopefully a little paper doesn't shoot out. But it's just this big oversized top and has a cowgirl hat on it. It says "Stuck on You, Valentine," and has a desert scene. It's just very oversized, and I love pink, and I love everything cowgirl right now, so just absolutely perfect. The next item I've already worn like 2 times. It's just this cropped top, and this is what the detailing looks like. I got this for $2.91, and this is a good deal also, so I'm in love with that crop top. Next item is t-shirt, and I've already looked at it. I haven't worn it yet, and it basically is just a Hawaii vibe, summer adventure, surf riders, Hawaii beach paradise, and I love the look of it. So again, it's just an oversized top. Last item for this haul is a sweater, which, you know, it's kind of too hot to wear sweater, especially here today in San Diego. Sorry, I have a text. But I can't wait to wear this in the winter. I just recently went to a festival that was themed this sweater, strawberries. So yeah, I went to the strawberry festival and everyone was wearing strawberry cute accessories, and I thought this would be really cute. So if I go to the strawberry festival again next year, but it's fun to wear without going to the strawberry festival. It's really cute and girly. So yeah, that's it for this haul. Hope you guys liked it. Please subscribe. That way I know you guys like these videos and I have more coming and you want to see more. So make sure to subscribe. And yeah, thank you guys for supporting the channel. Thanks. Have a great day. Rest of your day, guys. Bye.